Hello students. So today we are going to discuss or solve our new exercise 2.5 from chapter fraction and decimal. So first question is, which is greater, 0.5 or 0.05? To know, we will compare the place value of the digits. Okay, so in 0.5 and 0.05 we will compare the first digit from the left, which is ones. At ones in 0.5 there is 0, and in this number 0.05 at ones there is 0. So both the digits are same, so we will not compare from here. Next, there is point after 0 and there is point after 0. Let's move forward towards right. So 10th place of 0.5 is 5, and in this number 0.05 the 10th place is 0. That means the 1 is bigger and 1 is smaller. So the greater will be 0.5. Okay. So greater number is 0.5 is a greater decimal number. Okay. Now, fifth part of this question is 2.03 or 2.30. So, let's compare 2.03 and 2.30. So, first place, that is ones place. In ones place we have 2 and 2 on the both sides. So, these are same. So, we will move towards the next digits. So, after 2 there is decimal, and here is also decimal, and the digit after decimal, that is on 10th place, is 0. Okay, and on 10th place here is 3. That means 3 is bigger than 0. So the symbol will be like this. 2.30 is bigger than 2.03. Okay, so we can write here as 2.03 is less than 2.30. Greater decimal number is 2.30. Okay, so similarly you can check all the other parts from question 1 and find out which one is greater. Question number 2 is express as rupees using decimal. तो हमें rupees में express करना है decimal में change करके. Okay, so first part is 7 पैसे. 7 पैसे को हमें rupees में change करना है, and you know that 100 पैसे, in 100 paise there is 1 rupee. So always remember, when we change unit from smaller to bigger, so what we do, we always divide from this number which is greater or which is to compare, like here 100. Okay, so we have to divide 7 by 100 to change paise into rupees. Okay, because paise is a smaller unit than rupees. So 7 upon 100, and this will give us, we have 2 zeros after 1, so we will convert this fraction into decimal. The point will be before 2 digit. Okay, so point, we have 7 already, so 0 7. Okay, because we cannot put 0 after 7 as it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so this is 0.07. Okay, so point से पहले हम 0 लगाते हैं. So this is our answer. Second part, 7 rupees 7 paise. So here we have 7 rupees 7 paise. That means 7 rupees plus 7 paise. Now 7 rupees को तो change करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because it is already in rupees. We have to change 7 paise. So 7 plus 7 paise. We have to change paise into rupees. So we have to divide 7 by 100. So 7 upon 100. Okay. So 7 plus 7 upon 100 को अगर हम डेसिमल में चेंज करेंगे, so here is 2 zeros in denominator, so the point will be before 2 digits, so this is 0.07. Okay, now you can add 7 plus 0.07 and it will give us 7.07. Okay, so this is our answer and it converts as rupees. Fifth part is 235 paise. तो 235 पैसे को चेंज करेंगे, अगेन पैसे से रुपीस में चेंज करना है, सो वी विल डिवाइड. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज स्मॉलर यूनिट एंड वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस यूनिट इनटू बिगर यूनिट. सो 235 डिवाइड बाय 100, दिस विल गिव अस 2 zeros in denominator, so point will be before 2 digits from, right? So 235 से पहले point लगेगा 2.35 and this is converted as rupees. So 235 paise is equals to 2.35 rupees. Okay. Question number 3 is express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. हमें 5 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर और किलोमीटर में एक्सप्रेस करना है. सो यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास यूनिट में चेंज होगा, सेंटीमीटर से मीटर और किलोमीटर में चेंज करना है. सो बिफोर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन वी मस्ट नो दैट 10 मिलीमीटर्स इज इक्वल्स टू 1 सेंटीमीटर, 100 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 मीटर, 1000 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 kilometer. Okay, so this is our standard form. Now to convert 5 centimeter into meter. Okay, so 5 centimeter है, इसको मीटर में चेंज करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सेंटीमीटर इज स्मॉलर यूनिट देन मीटर, सो वी विल डिवाइड. सेंटीमीटर और मीटर में 100 का डिफरेंस है. ओके, 100 का कंपेयर हो रहा है. ओके, सो 100 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे 5 को, सो 5 अपॉन 100 मीटर. Now we have to convert it into decimal. So this will give us 2 zeros in denominator. So point will be before 2 digits. Okay. So 0.5. So point लगेगा 0.5 से पहले और point से पहले हम 0 put करते हैं. So 5 centimeter is equals to 0.05 meters. Now to convert it in 5 centimeter in kilometer. So first we have to see that 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter and 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. So we must know that we have to divide by 100 first and then 1000. So we have to divide with 100 and 1000. So because it is lapping one unit, that is meter. Okay. So centimeter से kilometer में जा रहा है. So we have to divide 5. First centimeter है तो meter में divide करने के लिए 100 से divide करेंगे. Then multiply again. किलोमीटर में चेंज करने के लिए 1000 से divide. Okay. So this will give us 5 upon, ये हमारे पास मल्टीप्लाई करके आ जाएगा 5 zeros. That means this is 1 lakh. 5 upon 1 lakh. Now you can convert this fraction into decimal form. So 5 हमारे पास already है. We need to put decimal before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Okay. So already we have 1 digit in numerator. So 1 more, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 0.00005 kilometer. Okay. Now second part is express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So we have 35 millimeter. As you know millimeter है और इसको convert करना है centimeter, meter और kilometer. All the three units are bigger than millimeter. So we need to divide it and divide it by according to the standard form. So 35 millimeter. First of all सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करने के लिए 35 को डिवाइड करेंगे 10 से. ओके, 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. So 10 and this will give us 1 0 in denominator. So point will be before 1 digit in numerator. So 3.5 centimeter. Second 35 millimeter and we need to change it into meters. So 35 डिवाइड बाय, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मिलीमीटर से मीटर में जा रहे हैं. सो बीच में एक सेंटीमीटर का गैप आ रहा है. सो सेंटीमीटर के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सेंटीमीटर को भी इसमें इंक्लूड करेंगे. ओके, सो डिवाइड बाय 10. 35 अपॉन 10 ये भी सेंटीमीटर में आ गया है. इस सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में चेंज करेंगे तो अगेन हमें 100 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज 35 अपॉन 1000 मीटर. And by converting it into decimal, we have 3 zeros in denominator. So point will be before 3 digits in numerator. So 2 digit we have already 3, 5 and we need to make them 3 digits. So put 0 before 3, 5 and then point. So 0.035 meter which is equals to 35 millimeter. नाउ 35 मिलीमीटर को हमें चेंज करना है किलोमीटर में. सो 35 अपॉन 2 यूनिट्स को जंप कर रहा है, 1 सेंटीमीटर एंड देन मीटर को, फिर जाके किलोमीटर में चेंज हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स मिलीमीटर को किलोमीटर में चेंज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? फर्स्टली कन्वर्ट इट इन सेंटीमीटर. ओके, देन मीटर डिवाइडिंग बाय 100 एंड देन किलोमीटर में चेंज करने के लिए हमारे पास 1000 है, सो 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे और दिस फ्रैक्शन विल बिकम 35 अपॉन 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, that means 10 lakh. Now 35 upon 10 lakh. So for changing this fraction into decimal, we need to put point before 6 digit. Okay, so 2 digit we have already in numerator. To make it 6, we need to put 4 more 0 ahead of 35. So this will give us 0 0 0 0 3 5. Now they have become 6 digits. Put point and 0.00035 kilometer. So this is how we convert from smaller to bigger units. Okay. Now question number 4 we have express in kg. So हमारे पास ग्राम में कुछ क्वांटिटी दी है. Okay. So we need to change them into kg. Gram is smaller unit than kg. So what will we do? As we did before, we will divide by how much? Let's check. We all know that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. That means we will divide 200 gram by 1000 to convert it into kg. So 200 upon 1000. Okay. So ये हमारे पास किलोग्राम आ गया है. Now इस फ्रैक्शन को हम डेसिमल में चेंज करेंगे. So 3 zeros are in denominator. So we will put point before 3 digits. Okay. So we already have 3 digits in numerator. So 0.200 kilogram. Or as you know that in decimal numbers, if there is 00 at the last after point, so these zeros will not make any change in digits. So we can write it as 0.2 kilogram. Similarly 3470 gram. So इसको हमें किलोग्राम में चेंज करना है. So again gram is smaller unit, we need to change it into bigger unit, that is kilogram. So what will we do? We will divide it by 1000. So 3470 upon 1000. Now we have 3 zeros in denominator, so point will be before 3 digits. So this will become 3.470 kilogram. And as I said before that if there is 0 in decimal number at the last, so it doesn't make any difference. So we can write it as 3.47 kilogram. So this is our answer. Now 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg and 8 gram है. So 4 kg को तो हम नहीं छेड़ेंगे because it is already in kilogram. 8 gram को हम change करेंगे. So 4 kg and 8 gram. This means 4 kg plus 8 gram. Okay. Now 4 kg and 8 gram will be changed as 8 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay. Now we can add them, but before that we have to convert this in decimal form. So 4 plus 8 के डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास 3 zeros है. So point will be before 3 digits. So 0.8 से पहले 2 0 हम पुट करेंगे. Now we can add them up. So 4 is at one's place, there is 0. So we can simply add it. 4.008 kilogram. Okay. So this is how we add and this is how we change units. Question number 5 is write the following decimal number in expanded form. Okay. So हमें इन decimal numbers को expanded form में लिखना है. So expanded form मतलब कि जो उनकी place value है उनको represent करते हुए हमें इनको लिखना है. Each digit in 20.3 there is a place value. Okay. So start with 2. 2 has a place value that is ones tens. Okay. So 10 is multiplying with 2. Then plus there is 0 and 0 की place value है 1. Okay. Then plus now we will not put point here because every digit after writing them in expanded form, that means they are adding, and when we will write them in with their place value they will automatically represent their decimal form. Okay. So 2 into 10 for 2 plus 0 into 1 for 0. Now plus 0. So this place is 10th place. So this is 10th means 0 into 1 upon 10. Plus 3 का place हमारे पास है 3 into 1 upon 100th place है. So 100. Okay, so this is the expanded form. Similarly, 2.03. So 2 is at 1's place, so 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 is at 10th place, so 0 into 1 upon 10. And plus 3 is at 100th place, so 3 into 1 upon 100. Okay, so this is the expanded form for 2.03. Now 200.03. So 200. We will start with 2. So 2 into 1's tens 100. 100 plus 0. 0 into 1's tens 10 plus this 0. 0 into 1 because it is at 1's place. Now plus 0. So 0 is at 10th place. So 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 is at 100th place. So 3 into 1 upon 100. Okay, so this is extended form for 200.03. Now last we have 2.034. So start with 2 into 1 because it is at 1's place. Okay, now plus 0 is at 10th place, so 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 is at 100th place, so 3 into 1 upon 100 plus 4 is at 1000th place, so 4 into 1 upon 1000. So this is extended form for 2.034. Okay, now question number 6 we have, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. So each decimal number we have somewhere 2. Okay, now we have to write the place value for each 2's. In first part we have 2.56. So 2 is at which place? It is at 1's place. So we will write 1's. Place value for 2 is 1's. Second part is 21.37. So 21.37 में 2 कौन सी place पे है? So 1 is at 1's place and 2 is at 10's place. Okay. So place value of 2 is 10's. Now 10.25. So 10.25 point के बाद जो digit है वो है 2. So this place is 10th. So place value is of 2 is 10th. Now 9.42. So point के बाद second place पे है 2. So place value is of 2 is 10th and 100th. So this is 100. Now 63.352. So point के बाद third place पे 2 आ रहा है. That means this is 10th, 100th and 1000. So place value of 2 is 1000. Okay. So this is your question number 6. Now let's come to the question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. There is 9.3 km from A and D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who traveled more by how much? So let's make a path for each of the condition. So if this is the place A and Dinesh went from A to B, if this is B and from B to C, okay, if this is C. Now it is saying that A is 7.5 km. For Dinesh, A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km apart from C. Now second guy is there, Ayub went from place A to D and D to C, and D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. So if this is Ayub, place A is same, okay, this place is D. He went from A to D, okay, and now from D he went to, from there to C, okay. The question is saying that D is 9.3 km from A. So this is 9.3 km. And C is 11.8 km from D. C or D के distance 11.8 kilometers. Who traveled more by how much? So this path is taken by Ayub. Okay, and this path is taken by Dinesh. Now we have to find out who traveled more. Okay, so for Dinesh traveled, जो टोटल ट्रैवलिंग दिनेश ने की है वो है 7.5 किलोमीटर प्लस 12.7 किलोमीटर. ओके, add them up. So this will give us 20.2 kilometer by adding 7.5 and 12.7 kilometers. Okay, now Ayub ने कितनी ट्रैवलिंग करी है? So he went 9.3 kilometer plus 11.8 kilometer. So by adding both the distance, we will have 21.1 kilometer. Okay, now who traveled more? Obviously 21.1 is more than 20.2. Okay, so Ayub traveled more. Okay, by how much? अब हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितना ज़्यादा अयूब ने ट्रैवल किया है. So for that we will subtract. ओके, सो दिनेश की ट्रैवलिंग डिस्टेंस को हमने अयूब की ट्रैवलिंग डिस्टेंस से माइनस करना है. सो दिस विल गिव अस 0.9 किलोमीटर. और 0.9 है तो इसको हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं इन मीटर्स. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 1000. सो 0.9 into 1000 and it will give us 900 meters. So Ayub traveled more by 900 meters. Question number 8 is Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams apples and 3 kg 250 grams mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? So Shama ने कितना परचेज किया है? एप्पल्स उसने खरीदे हैं 5 kg and 300 gram. And second, मैंगोज खरीदे हैं 3 kg and 250 grams. Okay, that means total amount of fruit. Total amount of fruit कितना हुआ? इनको हम ऐड करेंगे. So this will give us 5 kg 300 grams plus 3 kg 250 grams. And now to plus them we have to convert gram into kg. So this will give us 5 kg plus 0.3 gram plus 3 kg plus 0.25 kilogram. Okay, now we can add them up and this will give us 8.55 kilogram. Okay, so total amount of fruits Shama bought is 8.55 kilogram. Similarly, Sarla, she bought oranges 4 kg 800 gram, or you can change them in kilograms right here, that is 4 kg 800 ग्राम को अगर हम किलो में चेंज करेंगे सो दिस विल बिकम 0.8 किलोग्राम और 4.8 किलोग्राम इन टोटल. एंड शी बाउट बनानास हाउ मच? 4 kg 150 ग्राम. एंड बाय कन्वर्टिंग इट राइट हियर 4 kg प्लस 0.15 kilogram and this will give us 4.15 kg. And total amount of fruit. सरला के टोटल फ्रूट्स कितने हुए? So by adding 4.8 and 4.15 we will have 8.95 kg. Okay, so we can see here that 8.95 is more than 8.55. Okay, by comparing we have 8 similar. After point we have here 5 and here we have 9. So this amount is more than. So Sarla bought more fruit than Shama. Okay, so Sarla bought more fruit than Shama. So this is our answer. Question number 9 we have how much less is 28 than 42.6 kilometer. So 28 42.6 kilometer से कितना कम है? Okay, so obviously if we want to know how much less, we have to subtract 28 kilometer from 42.6 kilometer. Okay, so 42.6 kilometer we need to subtract 28 kilometer. And how to do it? 42.6 and 28 we can write 28 as 28.0 because 0 has no meaning after point. Okay, if it is in last. So subtract 6 minus 0 is 6 point. 12 minus, we have taken 1 carry, 12 minus 8 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So this gives us 14.6 kilometers answer. Okay. So students, this was your exercise 2.5. Now you have to note down all the questions and solution in your notebook and solve all the remaining questions also. So I'll see you in next exercise, and you need to practice more to have a better understanding of this exercise and this topic. So take care and thank you.